Today's video is going to show you how we clean lavender at Apple Hill Lavender Farm for culinary use. We start with this machine here, which we lovingly call the clipper, and we load it up with lavender that we've previously taken off the stem with the B-Cell Bud Cleaner. Then we take the tool here and we use it to work it down. There's a little slit at the bottom of this box, and the lavender will fall onto this shaking plate here, which we will then kind of fan out. So the chaff in the lavender, mixed in with the lavender at this point, will fall down the chute and into a bucket placed just underneath of it. We'll throw out the chaff after. We don't need it, we don't have any use for it. But the lavender itself will actually fall through one of the holes or perforations on the shaking plate. So we'll just keep fanning it out. And the lavender, you can see pictured here, is just falling into this collection bin below. So we'll actually clean the lavender in this collection bin about 2 to 3 times, just to make sure that it's good and clean. And that's our process. Visit us at www.applehilllavender.com or at Apple Hill Lavender on Instagram and Facebook. See you in the lavender!